Hello everyone, this is Nora and welcome back to my channel. Again, you see me in the same look, same hair, because today I filmed 2 videos for you guys. I'm kind of basically doing a get ready with me, and why not show you both? Today I actually have a hair tool review for you guys, and it is to review this beautiful tool. Actually, it comes with a whole bunch other heads that you can put on top, and you can style your hair any way you want it. Today I just wanted to really feature the curl wands on this because I have an event today and I just felt like curling my hair and also showing you guys how this happened, because this stuff is so magical and I'm just obsessed with it. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to create kind of like this light hair blow curls without making the hair too curly, if you guys know what I mean. Again, there's so many styles that you can do with this. You can also have a nice blowout without making it look too straight. You can also curl it like I did, but you can also do so many more using this tool. Before I go ahead and show you guys this hair tool, if you're new here to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and watching my video. It really means a lot to me. And if you guys haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. And I would love to have you guys a part of the light family that I have here on my channel. So if you guys would like to see the product that is better than the Dyson Air Wrap, please keep on watching. Alrighty guys, I went ahead to put a white top on so you guys could see how this performs and how it makes the hair. This is what we are featuring today. And also, before I go ahead and dive in, I actually have the same one but in black. So it's always good to have extra because you never know what happens. But to be honest, I've had my black one for about a year now, a year and a half now, and it is one that I absolutely love so much. I've gotten it from Amazon, and you guys, I've also filmed videos showing you guys how this performs as well. So now I have the same one from UKLISS, I think the brand is called. Sorry if I'm spelling it wrong. The same one but in white. So it kind of looks the same, but it does have some, I think, a little bit of a different feature. The one that I have has like little rhinestones on it, like little glitters here and there. Not glitters, but it has those little details of like rhinestones here and here. This one does not have that. So this is the white version. It's not the same brand at all. This is a complete different brand. This one here, it is from, let me see if there's a name here. There's no name. UKLISS. I'm not sure if you guys could see that. This one right here, it is the 7-in-1 hot air styler. So obviously you have instructions, which I would highly recommend that you go over before you go ahead and use it. And it also comes with a glove for the curler, which honestly I would recommend if you are first using this so you don't kind of like burn yourself. But I kind of got used to it, so I don't really use the glove, to be honest. But I absolutely love this thing. This works so well. And to be honest with you guys, like, I've reviewed my black one comparing it to the Dyson Air Wrap, and I do have to say that I definitely prefer this over the Dyson Air Wrap 1,000 times more. You are paying way less for this. Instead of paying $800 to $900 for the Dyson Air Wrap that's gonna last you for 2 years and then break off, get this. It's like literally not even half the price, even less than half the price, and you have a very good quality tool, and it comes with 7 pieces. Like, this is insane. You can also control the temperature. You can also control how fast the fan you want it, and you can also lock it as well when you are using it so you don't accidentally press it to close it. I absolutely love this. I feel like it has such a beautiful look to it in white, to be honest. I really like the white version a lot. I love the little gold details too, which is absolutely stunning. You also have a plug that also has like a reset if ever you want to reset it. So let me go over this quickly for you guys. So this actually helps to curl your hair. You can also use it to just air blow your hair, to just kind of have a little hair blow style to it, which is really pretty. You have this one right here To be honest with you guys, I don't know the name of the tools, but there is quite a few things in here. If you have curly hair, then you have this thing right here that you can use it for your curly hair. You also have a brush, which I personally really like if your hair is wet and you want to dry it off, so you can cause less detangling. You can use that. You also have this one right here, which is the spiral. I don't know how to call this. You have two of these wands to curl your hair, so one is for the left side and the other one is for the right side, which is in here. And then you have the star of the show, which is this right here. I really like the feel of the white, to be honest, and I don't know why, I just kind of prefer it more than the black one. Love this one. I believe they also have this in a kind of like a navy blue color, if ever you're interested in that kind of color too. Let me show you guys how this one looks like. So this one right here, you pull this down to take this part out like this. So you're gonna have the lock and unlock, and then right here you have the power. You have the lock and unlock for the power system or anything that changes on here. You have the temperature. You also have the fan temperature here, the fan up here. These are the lights that it kind of lights up red when it's hot, and then it has green when it's medium, and then blue when it's cool. I personally really love this and it works so well. So today I'm just gonna go ahead and style my hair with this. I'm gonna curl my hair with this and show you guys how this performs. Alrighty, so I have an extension cord right here because my plug is a bit far. So I'm just gonna use my extension cord and plug this baby on it. We're gonna go ahead and turn it on to dry this hair out. So you just need to go ahead and keep pressing on the power button. So I just went ahead and I dried off my hair a little bit because my hair was still damp and wet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take my brush. This is a detangler brush that I bought literally from the dollar store, and I love it so much because it works so well. And I'm just gonna go ahead and brush my hair through to detangle all of it. And then I go ahead and I separate my hair into two first, so like this. So I do the bottom part first. You can also use a heat protector, which I already did all of that beforehand. And I am going to separate my hair into two sections like so, and then I take small sections and I start curling them with the hair tool. But before I go ahead and do that, I do feel that my hair is quite damp a little bit, so I'm just gonna use it again to fully dry it off. So I'm just gonna go ahead and change this, and I'm gonna clip on the part. So this one here, it is, I believe, for this side, it does have arrows right on top right here, so it can tell you which motion that it goes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take a little section. I don't really measure up the sections, to be honest, and I just grab this, put it on, and this wraps on it so easily. And then I go up with it and I keep it there for a few seconds, and then I let it go. You see, this is what it does, and I just love it. So this is what it does. It literally takes 2 seconds. I normally style my hair with this in literally 15 minutes and I'm done. I'm gonna go ahead and do this section, and I'll fast forward and I'll show you this section. Make sure that you do turn it off before changing the, what's it called? These, I forgot the name of them. So I'm gonna click the other part on, and I'm gonna take a little section, turn it back on. I just love how this curls the hair. I feel like it gives such a nice curl, and they actually look better once they settle to the hair as well. So this is how it looks like. I'll go ahead and finish this section off, so I'll be back to show you guys the other section of the hair. This is the bottom section. Look how beautiful the curls turned out to be. I'm just obsessed with this. It literally makes my hair styling process so easy and so fast, which I absolutely love, because to be honest with you guys, the one thing I really hate is styling my hair, and the fact that this does this so quickly, it makes me so happy. So I'm just doing the upper part. It's pretty straightforward. There isn't much to explain other than just changing the top all the time. So I am just doing the last part of my hair, and my hair literally took me like 10 minutes to do, and I'm just obsessed. So I'm just gonna fix up this little part right here. Alrighty, you guys, hair is done. Look at this volume, look at these curls, look at this beautiful hair blow. I'm obsessed. This works so well. In literally 10 minutes my hair is done, and I cannot complain. I cannot complain. I will leave everything you guys need to know about this in the description box down below. I will also leave the link in the description box down below. I also have 20% off for you guys when you purchase this, and I will leave everything that you guys need to know about it in the description box down below. Go ahead, save your money. Thinking about the Dyson Air Wrap, you don't need it. Get your hands on this baby. This is the UKLISS, and you definitely need this instead of the Dyson Air Wrap. I cannot tell you more than that, honestly. Get your hands on it right now. It is so worth it. Look at the hair. Look how this just gave my hair so much volume. It gave it life. This is the results. You guys see it. Now go get it. Alrighty, you guys, the hair is done. The makeup is done. I will leave the link of this makeup tutorial in the description box down below if you guys want to go ahead and check it out. I'm obsessed with this hair tool, and if you guys want to get your hands on it and also save up, you have 20% off to shop this hair tool. This hair tool will come with everything that I featured in this video as well. I will also leave everything you guys need to know about this hair tool in the description box down below, including the link and the discount as well. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, just leave them all in the comments down below, and I will try my best to answer each and one of you guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and I will talk to you later. Bye.